Monkey Man, The Missing Years. It's the second volume, and we have with us here the creator of Monkey Man, Mr. Abhishek Sharma. So please give it up for Mr. Abhishek Sharma, please, and also the writer, Mr. Anand Singh. Please come up. Oh yeah, so what we're going to do is first play the trailer so you get to see some of the artwork that's gone into the making of this comic book. So Monkey Man, The Missing Years, everybody. Now please give it up for the creator and filmmaker, Mr. Abhishek Sharma.
Thank you. Anand, where art thou? I am the creator. I have not sketched the comic book. I have not written it. But yeah, I am the creator. That's the writer in these black chaddis, black hat. And I don't know what he is doing. Anand, leave the pen. अगला इशू बाद में लिख रहे हैं.
तार निकल गया.
आजा आजा. वो लिखता ही रहता है, उसकी आदत है. तू इधर आ, मेरे को राइट में अच्छा लगता है तू.
ठीक है.
Because you are always right. हाँ.
पता नहीं. हाँ. So let's find out. Let's tell the people a little bit more about Monkey Man, right?
Part 2.
Part 2.
Okay.
The Missing Years.
The Missing Years. Okay, so the story in the first part, I don't know how many of you have read the first part, seen the first part. If you have not, then it's right across. You can go and buy it because we are not going to tell you.
Yeah.
Because then you will not buy it.
Yeah.
So whatever happens in the first part, this is the second part. Should we tell them about the second part? Because that also...
maybe a little bit.
Just
to pique their interest.
Just, okay.
Yeah.
So basically in the first part, we saw the genesis of Monkey Man. In the second part, now we are showing that where did he go? Because 2001 he was seen in Delhi. And now we are in 2012. So where was he? So in the second issue we are going to Kanpur.
Yes.
In 2002 he was in Kanpur and he was seen by some people as Moon Ochwa. They called him Moon Ochwa.
Moon Ochwa.
Now when he's in Kanpur, what happens, Anand?
What happens is that he faces his biggest enemy.
Biggest enemy yet?
Yes.
The Kacha Banyan gang.
Yes, the Kacha Banyan gang.
हाँ, वो हमको जैसे पता है सबको नॉर्थ में कच्चा बनियान गैंग है जो चड्डी वड्डी पहन के आता है.
हाँ, जो
तेल भी लगा
और
के
बनियान पहन के डाका डालते हैं, चोरी करते हैं, काफी कुछ करते हैं.
So उसके जो अंदर का सुपर हीरो है वो फिर से जाग जाता है कानपुर में because he was silent for a year but after seeing this दहशत by Kacha Banyan gang they go in he goes in to attack them and while doing that he brings a lot of attention to himself.
Yes.
Because of which the president of India, no offense to him,
yes,
yeah, again he's him, he was her for some time, now he's him,
yes,
so no offense to him. But the thing is that President of India has a very potent weapon to fight Monkey Man, which is going to be the biggest nemesis of Monkey Man, and his name is
Captain Tamga.
Tamga मतलब medal.
Medal.
तो तमगा क्यों कह रहे हैं हम इसको?
तमगा क्योंकि इसकी छाती ना तमगों से भरी हुई है. पूरी
छाती भरी हुई है तमगों से.
भरी हुई है एकदम.
क्यों भरी हुई है इतनी?
Because वो बहुत ही highly decorated secret weapon है. Indian Army का.
Indian Army का.
Yes, but he answers directly to the president.
Directly to the president.
Yes.
So basically he is the DRDO. No offense to DRDO.
Yes.
ये मेरे को मेरे publisher ने बोला बार-बार बोलने को disclaimer. No offense to.
National Defense Lab.
National Defense Lab. Okay. So they created through their experiment called Manav Yantra. I think they saw Terminator by this guy. What is his name? James Cameron. So, so Avatar. So I think उससे इंस्पायर होकर DRDO ने मानव यंत्र बनाया है जिसमें कैप्टन तमगा is half human, half machine. So this is one guy who can really challenge Monkey Man as we see in this graphic novel.
Yes.
And Captain Tamga comes to know about this Moon Ochwa and he knows this guy is Monkey Man. So he comes to Kanpur. And then, Anant?
And then what happens, we don't really know.
अच्छा अभी तो खरीदेंगे ये
Cliffhanger.
अच्छा समझ क्लिफ हैंगर अनंत मंकी मैन इज एन आइडिया
Yes.
and some great person said once that ideas are like sperms, you know, and today to launch this idea we have India's best
Yes.
and most potent
Yes.
sperm donor, Vicky donor, here with us. So ladies and gentlemen, the best debutant of the year, Ayushman Khurrana. Please.
Oh, you can do better than that.
And so let's launch this and let's
Yes.
rock and roll.
Yes.
Where is the कहाँ है? कहाँ छुपा के रखा है आपने? ये इन्होंने 3 चेयर्स लगाई थी जो हमने यूज नहीं किया, हम बैठे नहीं. So Ayushman, please do the honors. Yeah, should we do it together? तू भी हाथ बेटा, तूने लिखी है.
हल्का सा हाथ लगा देते हैं.
आइए सर. 1, 2 and 3. There you go. सही कवर. So with this we can say that we have launched it. Thank you and photo click.
खींच लो भैया.
कैमरा स्लो है. ओके
एक बार इधर भी पोस्ट कर देते.
ऐसे भी कर देते हैं
हाँ, एक बार ऐसे भी कर देते.
और ऐसे भी कर लो इधर थोड़ा सा. अच्छा इधर कैमरे नहीं है.
इधर इधर ज्यादा है.
इधर ज्यादा. किधर रिपोर्टर्स कहाँ हैं सारे?
आपको तो मिल गया ना वीडियो में.
बीच वाले हैं ना उधर. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ना.
Yes, yes.
हाँ चलो. So now I give this to Ayushman. You can ask some
Yes.
questions about his childhood if you want to.
Yes, yes.
Of course, it was my childhood during late 90s and early 2000s when Monkey Man was really popular
Yes.
and terrorizing the capital city. And you know, I think Delhi वाले कौन कौन है यहाँ पे? Wow. हम सब के अंदर एक monkey man छुपा हुआ है. We barbaric, we are really we uncouth and we terrorize people. We don't follow rules and we horny at times. So yeah, हम दिल्ली वाले हैं, हम बिल्कुल नहीं सुधरेंगे. So I think Monkey Man हर एक दिल्ली वाले के अंदर है. And I remember, you know, my relation with maybe association with comic books is only Hindi. I'm from Chandigarh. I've read a lot of Hindi comic books from Chacha Chaudhary, Billu Pinky, Super Commando Dhruv, Nagraj, and the last two were the most celebrated superheroes in Indian comics, Hindi comics. And this is also a superhero, very quirky one. Shades of Grey भी है इसके अंदर. शेड अच्छा ये विलन टाइप है.
शेड्स ऑफ ग्रे है ही इसमें. मतलब ये तो क्या
आपके
इतना ज्यादा
बालों की
grey?
तरह?
हाँ मेरे बालों की तरह.
अच्छा, वो inspire
Actually
हो
लिखते
गए.
समय ग्रे हो गए थे.
अच्छा.
मंकी मैन को.
हाँ.
So yeah.
तो हाँ.
Continue.
So this is Ayushman launching Monkey Man.
Wow.
There you go.
Thank you Ayushman. Anand, you have any specific questions?
स्पेशल क्वेश्चंस तो क्या. सो कॉमिक्स आपने काफ़ी पढ़ी है एज अ चाइल्ड,
हाँ.
जैसा आपने भी बोला. तो
जी.
आपको क्या लगता है कॉमिक्स में ऐसा क्या स्पेशल है?
कॉमिक्स में ऐसा स्पेशल है, आई थिंक इट्स अ फैंटेसी जो हम रियल लाइफ में करना चाहते हैं. इट्स एन ऑल्टर ईगो, आई थिंक, जो हम नहीं कर पाते हैं वो कॉमिक बुक्स में होता है, तभी हम कॉमिक बुक्स पढ़ते हैं.
Yeah, I mean for the interested people, this comic book has a little bit of sex and violence. So please जो बच्चे हैं वो ना पढ़ें.
अब
बिल्कुल मत पढ़िएगा.
बिल्कुल मत पढ़िएगा.
बिल्कुल मत पढ़िएगा.
बिल्कुल मत पढ़िएगा.
या जैसे आप विकी डोनर आपने बिल्कुल नहीं देखी थी, वैसे ही आप बिल्कुल मत पढ़िएगा.
All right, so with that, thank you Ayushman.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for being
And
here.
congratulations to you for this
Thank you
super
so
fun
much.
endeavor, and this is one of the rare occasions when films and comics fuse together. So best of luck for that.
Thank you
Cheers.
so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And we have Jatin. We have a gift for you. This has, of course, both the issues of Monkey Man and some more special items for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Thanks,
Thank you for
Anand.
coming. Thank you for your time.
Thanks,
And I
Abhishek
want to
Sharma.
especially thank Parth who did this fabulous AV at a very limited budget, limited time, and Dhruv Dalla, my permanent music director, who did the music for the animation. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for coming. Thank you. Thank you, Ayushman.